We are from AP Model School and College. Myself Vardhani.
Myself B. Roshni. Myself Rajeshwari.
We are presenting on radiation. We are guided by Harita Madam. And I want to introduce the theme of our idea, digital transformation. And the title is Radiation Radiant Energy. And I want to introduce the components and its working. Retinas. These are specialized antennas that convert EMR into direct current electricity. RF, harvesting circuits. These circuits amplify and filter the captured EMR, converting it into a usable electric signal. Energy storage units. Capacitors, batteries, or supercapacitors store the captured energy for later use. Power conditioning units. Power conditioning units. These units regulate the output voltage and current, ensuring capability with household appliances. By doing all this, we can capture the current and store it into capacitors and use it in the household appliances. EMR capture. Retinas or other absorbing materials capture EMR from electronic gadgets such as mobiles, TVs and laptops. Signal amplification. And after the introduction of our components, I want to introduce you working mechanism. EMR capture. Retinas or other absorbing materials capture EMR from electronic gadgets such as mobiles, TVs and laptops. Signal amplification. RF harvesting circuits amplify the captured EMR signal to increase its power density. Rectification. The amplified signal is then rectified, converting the AC electronic current signal into a DC signal. Energy storage. The DC signal is stored in energy storage units such as capacitors or batteries. Power conditioning. The stored energy is then conditioned to match the required voltage and current for household appliances. Power output. The conditioned energy is finally output to power household devices such as lights, TVs or refrigerators. In this, challenges and limitations are also there. Efficiency. Energy harvesting from EMR has limited efficiency, typically ranging from 10% to 50%. Power density. The power density of EMR is relatively low, require large surface areas or high gain antennas to capture significant amounts of energy. Interference. EMR from electronic gadgets can be affected by interference from other devices, reducing the overall efficiency of the energy harvesting system. In our project, the main challenge is to capture the In our project, our main challenge is to capture radiation and convert EMR from multiple sources is a challenge. EMR from electronic gadgets can interfere with the system's operation. Safety. Ensuring the safety of the system and its users is crucial. Development. Further research is needed to improve the efficiency and scalability of the system. Systems optimization. Optimizing the system's design and operation can improve its performance and efficiency. Commercialization. Commercialization is the system can make it more widely available and affordable. Integration with existing infrastructure. Integrating the system with existing Further, researchers and scientists are also developing it to improve it. Systems optimization. Optimizing the system, design and operation can improve its performance and efficiency. Integration with existing infrastructure. Integrating the system with existing energy infrastructure can maximize its potential and benefits. At last, I want to conclude that we can absorb the maximum radiation, otherwise, it can also lead to biological hazards. Thanking you.